Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to draw a line above text in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to draw a line above the text, first go to the Insert tab. We're interested in the equation button in the Symbols section. Click on it. Great, the Equation tab is open. To open the Equation tab faster, you can also use the Alt and Equal keyboard shortcut. Now press Accent and find the bar accent in the third row. Select it and now copy or enter the required text. If this method is not suitable for you, you can do the same using the field code. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl F9 and as you can see, the field code brackets have appeared. Next we type this code between the brackets, and in these parentheses we enter the text above which the line should appear. When everything is entered, press F9 and the line above the text appears. If you need to edit this text, then click on the text. As you can see, it's completely highlighted. And now we press the key combination Alt F9 and the code opens. We make corrections or additions, and at the end we press Alt F9 again and everything is applied. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.